Hey there, bwcummins here with you. I'm not doing drawing tonight. I'm actually going to do a little DIY project. I got new fake Copic markers, a bigger set with more color, twice as big. I think it's 168 or something like that colors. And if you remember, and you can go back and watch the video, I had my son make me a little art box that was supposed to hold all those markers and some pens, and it does not. So I'm going to make a eco-friendly, simple 5-minute craft project that will hold all my markers. Then I can use that awesome thing my son made me out of wood to hold pens and other stuff. These alcohol markers need to be stored horizontally because they're two-ended, one broad end and one fine tip. Needed something that would hold 168 markers. So I thought, hey, let's use some toilet paper rolls and glue those together. The most obvious shape was a square, but then I thought, hey, that might be a little top heavy, so I'm going to make a pyramid shape, a triangle, so that it's nice and bottom heavy with all the markers stored in it. And then here, if you look, is how it's going to look. Before I had to throw the gray scale markers in a box, and I had my brown tones in another bin, and the colors in the art box my son made me. Now I can get them all in one place. Awesome. This was really cheap, and like I say, it is literally a 5-minute craft. I used wood glue because that's the only thing I had, but you could use any glue, including hot glue. That would be more instant. I have to wait for my glue to dry, and with hot glue, you'd be ready to go. If you'd like to build this, you can order toilet paper tubes off of Amazon for pretty cheap, or you could just wait and go to the bathroom a lot and get toilet paper tubes that way for free. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe and check out my drawings, check out some other builds we've done, and encourage you to be creative every day. Keep your skills sharp. Thank you. Bye now.